Zasedba Percussive Colors je bila ustanovljena leta 2012. Člana Ruja Taner in Dinčer Ozer združujeta elemente klasične glasbe z narodnimi turškimi melodijami. Why did you start career in music?
My father and my late grandfather was a musician. My father is a conductor and a pianist also, so it was a natural thing for me to develop my career in music.
Why? Because I like the music. And my father also, he is a musician. And he said always, you have to be a musician. And I always think I have to play percussion, I have to play piano, and I have to play always the instruments. You know, I have to be in the music life.
Obema izvajalcema glasba v življenju veliko pomeni.
It's just my life. It dominates everything I do, but in a good way. And I am sometimes asked, would you be doing anything else? But just being with the audience and just seeing places like here just makes me feel that I was right in continuing my career in music.
Kot glasbenika sta se Ruja in Dinčer spoznala z različnimi žanri glasbe. Which kind of music do you prefer? Like, do you like more the classical music or maybe more the Turkish melodies?
I like all music in the world. If it's good quality and if it's a good musician playing, I like all music.
Well, of course, my life is dominated with solo well-known repertoire, but for the last 8-9 years I have been a duo with Dinçer Özer, who works at the Presidential Orchestra as a percussionist, and we have arranged our own instruments to play well-known Turkish folk music as well as modern Turkish composers' works, which is giving us a chance to perform abroad. So it's a different new adventure for us.
What are maybe the highlights of your career, the best moments you've ever experienced on stage?
Many things, you know, in my life. The first is in Ankara in the conservatory. And after I finished the conservatory, after that I went to Swiss and the USA and some of schools for music academy. And many concerts all over the world, and many things, you know.
Dinčer in Ruja sta se poznala mnogo preden sta se odločila za ustanovitev skupne zasedbe Percussive Colors. How come you started this duet with Dinčer? Did you maybe know each other before?
Yes, we knew each other from the conservatoire, but we hadn't seen each other for about 30 years because I went to London to study, and on my way back to Turkey we came across each other and we decided to do something together.
I said to her, we can play together because the piano and my instrument is percussion, and we decided that we can play some things because it's different, and the Turkish music and some classical music, I arrangement some of music and some of music Ruya arrangement, and after that we try, and now we are playing like maybe more than 6 years.